Every student wants to acquire English speaking skills quickly. If this is your concern, let me share a couple of tips with you to achieve this goal. First of all, don't be in a hurry. When you are too focused on your destination, you forget to enjoy the process and you become restless. It is necessary for you to enjoy the learning process. You may turn on some background music. You may sit or stand relaxed in your room and practice speaking English. So let's move to the second tip. Please remember that everybody has his or her own pace. You may take 4 months to learn English speaking skills while your friend may take 2 months to learn English speaking skills. You are not in a rat race. Your ultimate goal is to acquire English speaking skills because it is important for your career. Third, you need to bring a little madness to your practice. What I mean by this, suppose you complete an assignment and you are not satisfied with your performance, just do it again until you are satisfied. And second, whenever you are alone in a room, in a washroom or a meeting room, you just start speaking English. This will bring momentum to your practice. Once you have momentum, you will automatically speed up your process. Fourth, you practice wholeheartedly. When you practice wholeheartedly, you will get quickest result or improvement or transformation. When you practice half-heartedly, you will struggle to achieve your goal. You will struggle to get result or transformation. So these are a couple of tips you need to follow to acquire English speaking skills quickly. Thank you.